say cheese. We always say these words when we are clicking pictures. Do you know why? So that we can smile and show our teeth and our pictures look good. Teeth. Our teeth do a very important job. They chop, shred, and grind up food in the mouth so that it is ready for swallowing. A newborn baby has no teeth. The first set of teeth start appearing when the baby is 6 to 7 months old. By the time the child is 2.5 years old, he or she has all 20 milk or temporary teeth.
They are also known as deciduous teeth. The permanent teeth or adult teeth or second set of teeth form in the gum below the first teeth and push them out as they grow. These teeth usually start appearing when we turn 6. And by the time we are 14 years old, all our baby teeth have gone and we have our set of 28 adult teeth.
These are 28 plus 4 wisdom teeth. The wisdom teeth are extra molars. They normally appear at the age of 24 to 30. But some people do not get them at all. So, this makes it 16 teeth in each jaw, 32 teeth in all.
Kinds of teeth. Human beings can eat both meat as well as vegetables. So we have teeth to suit both these kinds of food. Thus, we have 4 kinds of teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Let us learn more about them. Incisors. Incisors are chisel-shaped teeth at the front of the mouth. We have 8 incisors in all, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. We use these for cutting and biting into food. Herbivores have sharp incisors, so they can cut into grass and leaves. Canines. Canines are found next to the incisors. They are larger and sharper than the incisors. There is 1 canine on each side of the incisors. So, we have 4 in all, 2 in each jaw. These are mainly used for holding, grasping, and tearing into food. So, they are sharp and pointed. Carnivores have very sharp canines as they need to cut and tear into the flesh. Premolars. Premolars are the bigger and flatter teeth next to the canines, towards the back of the mouth. We have 2 on each side of the canines, so we have 4 in each jaw and a total of 8. They function like a nutcracker. We use these to crack and crush hard foodstuff and for chewing food. Our first set of teeth does not have premolars. They grow only in the adult set of teeth. Molars. Molars are broad and flat and are the biggest teeth in our jaws. We have 3 on each side of the premolars, so there are 6 in each jaw and 12 in total. The molars grow in stages. 8 of them grow before, and the last one on each side of each jaw grows at a later stage. These 4 teeth are known as wisdom teeth. We use the molars primarily for grinding and crushing the food before swallowing it. Herbivores have strong molars. Structure of tooth. Every tooth, irrespective of its kind, has the same basic structure. Each tooth is divided into 2 main parts, the crown and the root. What we see in the mirror when we look at our tooth is not the entire tooth. It is just a part of it. This visible part is called the crown. The part which is not visible to us and is inside our gums is called the root. Just like in plants, the root of a tooth anchors it firmly to the jawbone. The part of the tooth where the crown and root meet is called the neck. The surface of the crown is made up of one of the hardest substances in our body called the enamel. Enamel is the white part that we see and clean every day. It is made of calcium. Beneath the enamel is the main bulk of the tooth, called the dentine. Dentine protects the soft portion called the pulp. The center of the tooth has a hollow space called the pulp cavity. This contains the nerves and blood vessels, so all sensation is felt in this part. These nerves pass through the root canal and are connected to the gums through a hole in the root. Cementum is a thin layer resembling bone. It surrounds the dentine where it is not covered by enamel.
Toothache. A toothache starts when the hard enamel is broken down. This is caused by the action of bacteria. The infected tooth starts to decay. This is called caries. Caries form holes in the tooth enamel. A decayed tooth causes bad breath. When food particles, especially sweet, sticky food particles, remain in the mouth, bacteria start feeding on them. The bacteria then produces an acid which dissolves the strong enamel. If the enamel is not repaired by a dentist in time, the acid acts through the tooth till it reaches the nerve endings in the root. Then the toothache becomes very painful. That is when the dentist has to carry out a procedure called root canal to save the tooth. So remember, the moment your tooth starts aching, visit a dentist. Never neglect a toothache.
Why should we care for our teeth? Teeth are a very important part of our body. They help us bite into and chew our food. They help us speak properly.
Teeth also give shape to our face. Without teeth, the cheeks look sunk.
And last but not the least, they also give us a beautiful smile. Simple steps to keep teeth healthy. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night. rinse your mouth after every meal. Floss your teeth regularly. Clean your tongue daily. Try not to eat lots of sugary foods. Lastly, visit the dentist twice a year. Proper way of brushing. Step 1. Place bristles along the gum line at a 45 degrees angle. Bristles should contact both the tooth surface and the gum line. Step 2. Gently brush the outer tooth surface of 2-3 teeth using a back, forth and circular motions. Move the brush to the next group of 2-3 teeth and repeat for all outside surfaces. Step 3. Gently brush the inside of each tooth using front, back and circular motions as in step 1. Step 4. At the end, gently brush the chewing surfaces of the teeth using a backward and forward motion.
Please don't be lazy to brush your teeth anymore. Take care of them properly.